Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So I've taken this choppy price action off the chart now, this wave count that we had before. I consider it dead for now. And I'm looking at price to come down lower and probably will break below that 2230 level. It's not broken yet, so theoretically it can still turn around, but this doesn't really give us much more confidence in this. Anyway, what I just want to highlight here, 2230 is still bullish support, so let's see if we get a reaction. But what I wanted to focus in this video is is what happens if we break below that, because I think we're going there with this price action, and so far we're still waiting for reliable information, confirmation that a lasting low has been put in place on the 10th of June. At the moment, I just don't have that information, and we never had it since the rally, okay? What do we need for confirmation? We need a 5-wave move to the upside, which is reliable, and this is only a 3-wave move, therefore a very fragile price structure still. So what are the two wave counts I would go with now? The first wave count is that we deal with a wave 2 still in the making. Okay, so I will extend this support area out, by the way, because it would mean that we just had a high X wave, yeah, WXY, or actually it would be an ABC. So this is the wave count that we're watching for primarily now. Something that I shared with you before, nothing that we didn't talk about. Highlighted to you that it is probable that this was also a high B wave, but really I can't really confirm that as long as we're holding above 2230, but we might break it now. Why is it so important, this high B wave, or why is it so likely? It is because it reacted to the 1.38 Fibonacci retracement, a key target for an overshooting B wave. You can see that here, but I shared that with you in previous videos. So let's say it comes down to 20 or breaks below 2230, then I think the area around $15 will be relevant again. But we need to be aware that there will be one level that will be relevant before, because what we can do, we can take a look at the Fibonacci extensions, and the 1-to-1 ratio here, around 1870 it is going to be relevant. The 100% extension, because that is, in an ABC structure, a common target for a C wave. With an overshooting B wave, you can get these running flat structures. They are unreliable, but it could be that we get a reaction here, so I just highlight it. But yeah, so overall, if we break below 2230, certainly we expect a more substantial decline. And we could then afterwards rally in a third wave. So it might be another opportunity to buy back cheaper here in our trend reversal area. What is an alternative wave count for a more direct breakout? I would say a more direct, more aggressive wave count would be, let me move that across here, would be to understand all of this as a diagonal structure. So I will highlight that wave count in yellow. It needs to prove itself. A wave, B wave, C wave. That would be the yellow count, where the third wave is an ABC structure. Consequently, that would need to mean, or that would mean that the wave 1 was also an ABC, that we're dealing with a large diagonal. Do I consider it probable? No, but it's possible. Why is it not probable? Because the wave 1 is not clearly an ABC structure. Okay, so from that point of view, unless I see an impulse that happens early, I will not be able to confirm that this is the wave count in yellow. Okay, so this is just a potential for you to understand that price can turn around early. I will not put a trend reversal area for the yellow count onto the chart because it hasn't proven itself yet. I need to see a first impulse to the upside in wave C, okay, to believe it, basically a 1-2 setup. Until then, I do not believe it, but I will give you a relevant support area, and the relevant support area for this yellow B wave would be here between 1711 and 2267. So as you can see, we're already entering that support area, but it doesn't show any reaction now to that 2260 level. So 2037 and 1711 is next support, but I would not just simply scale in here, because without an impulse to the upside, I would not believe this wave count. It's just an alternative. Yeah, that's my update about Solana. Let's see how low we go. I mean, let's see in the first place if we see a reaction to 2230. Of course, still possible, but it would need to do that imminently. And if it breaks below that, here are your two new wave counts that we can work with that would allow an entry point lower for Solana that I'd be looking forward to, because I did sell, I think, just below the breakout point here, my position that I entered here on the 10th of June. So buying a little lower, I wouldn't mind. Okay, there's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.